Elegant Enhancements. Here's a glimpse at our European facial, which includes deep cleanse, skin analysis, exfoliation, extractions, mask, and a massage. This 25-year-old client has combination skin where I noticed sensitive and dehydrated conditions. Her complexion is uneven where she has hyperpigmentation on her cheeks. Our focus for this client is to soothe and calm her skin, so we'll be using vitamins and botanicals. We also want to focus on reducing the hyperpigmentation. To treat hyperpigmentation, I will use a 2-part microexfoliant which has lactic, salicylic, and malic acids. They work together to remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin while penetrating vitamin C and E into the pores, promoting healthy, rejuvenated skin. This herbal astringent will calm my client's skin, balance the skin's pH, and add a layer of hydration. This aloe mask will be applied to reduce redness, blemishes, and acne, and to moisturize the skin. Next, the client will receive a facial and décolleté massage, the stimulating and relaxing massage which increases blood flow and collagen production. An HA serum to reduce redness and to lock in moisture. Lastly, I'll be applying this Total Everyday Moisturizer, which is going to protect our client's skin from the outside elements. This client's post-care treatments will definitely include for her to continue to cleanse and exfoliate and moisturize, most importantly to apply sunscreen every single day. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube at Elegant Enhancements ATL.